Imagine a university which is so well known and so renowned. Suddenly, since a year, it is in a controversy just because things turned online and they hired some proctored examining, the firm, which is asking students, like the especially girl student, to stand up, show the show their half body, side turn, and replying like 3 minutes, baby. And if you see why I'm saying all this, because these are the major news headline coming with Christ University. We never imagined that such a renowned university will come in such a controversy. We all, and even the students, have no idea that why the management is not taking any action on such incident which has been complained, which has been reached out to the college management, but the management is silent. They are just saying that you should take it in a positive spirit. So in this video we're going to see what exactly happened, because the students have narrated from last year till now what exactly went on in Christ University and why the students are so frustrated. So 2 days back, when a student approached us telling us the incident, what exactly is happening in Christ University. So let me be clear, the Christ University is there in Pune, Delhi and Bangalore. We are talking specifically about the Bangalore campus. Undoubtedly, when you talk about the education quality, the faculty, they are brilliant. There is no question or no complaint regarding the teaching, regarding the education which they are imparting. But when we talk about management, that's horrible. And also, I was shocked to know this, that before they take an admission in the Christ University, students are asked to sign a form without which they will not confirm their admission, which says that a student cannot oppose any decision of the management. You can't be a rebel or go against the management decision, can't be a part of any protest. And if you fail to sign this document and break the rule, the student will be rusticated. This all started last year, which is the student of second year. He's saying that Sem 2, which for all of us, things changed. Like things from offline became online and the proctored exam came into picture. Sem 3, first thing, the proctored exam didn't go well. And in the Sem 3, they experimented with the open book examination, which increased the anxiety in the students. Sem 4, they split the marks into, because of cheating. We all know that what is happening in Mumbai University also, that because of the MCQs, students are cheating and getting good grades. So what Christ University decided to do in 4th Sem, that they split the marks, which was 50 marks paper, 20 marks viva and 30 marks were written proctored examination. As we all know about the challenges of online examination, same thing happened with the Christ University students, that they were facing a internet drop issues, which we all know that it happens. So when students are going through that, the proctor or the faculty also were saying that that's your problem, you take care of it, we can't do anything if your internet is dropping. Even the students' parents called the faculty requesting that it was a genuine issue and we are facing an internet problem. Still, they said that the student will have to take a retest, which is horrible, I feel. This issue is not only with a particular department. Overall, every department, every student is facing this issue, because there are a lot of complaints which are coming. As I mentioned in the beginning, that the proctor is asking the student to show their face till their hand, which is, sometimes the laptop or something, it's practically impossible. The worst thing is they are asking the girls to stand up, show that what kind of outfit they are wearing, and show the side view, which is not something acceptable. We can understand that it is a genuine concern that people are copying, so there can be issue like they're putting up a mic or something, but we have to go through this limitation. I mean to say that we all know that students are cheating, but still there are few limitations which we have to take care of during this online examination. But the way the Christ University management is treating the whole online examination is something beyond. When it comes to talking to media, the Christ University claims to be very student friendly, but you can understand, guys, if students are approaching to online channels like us and NSUI, Student Council Body, UGC for their grievances, they are not at all friendly. And also, last year in the month of August, September, there was a protest by the student regarding having an offline exam. They were done with this online harassment going on with the students. Students are paying 1 to 2 lakh rupees per year as a fees of Christ University. So you can imagine, if they are asked to take a retest or if they are failing in one of the semester, it's really difficult. Not only the whole year is gone, but too much of money. Via this video, I would like to request the whole student community that please share this video as much as possible so that the management of Christ University is forced to take an action. We can help Christ University students in this way only, because when you are studying in a particular college or an university, if you are concerned for your marks, you won't be able to go against it openly because it might impact your grades. So that is what is happening with the students right now studying there. So let's raise our voice. Let's try to share this as much as possible so that there should be justice done to the students studying in Christ University currently. So if anybody from the Christ University management is watching this video, students are just helpless. I don't know the reason that why you guys are not supporting your own students, but this will literally defame the whole image that you have made over the years for the university. It's one of the most reputed university, which even I personally recommended so many students to join. But now looking at the whole scenario and looking at the issue that they are going through, and that too, you have hired somebody to conduct a proctor exam. You should definitely examine it. And if students are raising such issue, please come out with an answer. Like, who is proctoring? As you know, your faculty or your management person has said that take it in a positive spirit. If you want the students to take it in a positive way, then reveal that who is the proctor, who is conducting this exam. I hope this video will help the Christ University student. I will also try that mainstream media should pick up this issue so that the management can take action as soon as possible and resolve this issue. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all will support and share this video. If in case in your college any such thing is going on and you want to speak up and you want to share your concern with us, we'll make sure that your identity is not revealed, and we'll try to, create the awareness or speak up on your behalf. So do share your story via our Instagram, or you can also mail it to us. There is an email ID in our description box. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor.